Hello, this is Missey Grace. How are you doing? So it's Wednesday again, and today I'm going to tell you a story. A couple of days ago, like most of the people, when we want to show something or share something or find support, we go to a Facebook group. So in this case, I went to a vegan group. What happened was when I started to look at the information, the post on it, I started to comment to make some contribution, right? So I shared my experience from a vegetarian to vegan and the transition, how I experienced it, and share my knowledge and tell my story. And guess what happened? There was one person immediately jump on my post and started to criticize, started to judge, and started to say all different kind of things that's really very negative. So if you were me, how would you feel? You feel like you've been attacked, don't you? You feel like somebody's just about to bite your head off, don't you? What I felt at the moment, that okay, somebody must be very gung-ho, must be very enthusiastic, and must be really have a high standard of being a vegan. She wanted to hear what she wants to hear. So when people are talking about something that's outside of her square box, that is a no-no. And she's immediately starting to impose people onto the belief that she has. Is that right? In this case, it's not. I felt that she hasn't actually shown a respect to the fellow members in this group. So I called her out. I didn't appreciate that kind of talk. And I was purely have the intention to share my experience and letting other people to know that they will get my support because I have been there, I have done that, and this is my experience. Of course, everyone will have a different experience and they will have their own path to go. But sharing that information, giving someone some sort of assurance, and I certainly don't need someone to judge on what I have said. If you have experienced that sort of thing, especially on the public domain, what are you going to do? First, do not accept that kind of inappropriate or negative thoughts that directed to you. We believe everything that we see or seen, you should just take it as nothing personal. And if I started to take that on and silence myself, what am I doing? I'm allowing this kind of behavior to go on and on. So I called her out. And when the situation comes to unbearable or really, really inappropriate or negative, what are you going to do? I will take the post away from that. I will avoid a situation, and I don't really need that negativity in my life. So the best thing is remove myself from that group. I don't need that. So that's my thought for today. And let me know what you think. I will catch up with you next week. So until then, be well, be happy. This is Missey Grace.